Professor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State is enforcing sit-at-home in Anambra forcefully. Do you understand? Okay, let's look at it this way. Before, those people enforcing sit-at-home does it once a week, but Chukwuma Soludo does his own 1 week at a stretch, depriving children who are hawking water, fruits, food, bread, and all kind of things to eatable, and pregnant women and men who can only eat only when they come out any day to do business. You know what I'm saying? Those people that can only come out, do business, make profit before they can eat. Soludo deprived them for 1 week at a stretch. I want you to compare the two. The people forcing you once a week and the governor, executive governor, forcing you for the whole week. Which one do you prefer? It is dangerous. I want you to look at it in this way. Take yourself as an example. You are bathing, you dey shower, you dey bath in your bedroom, maybe bedroom outside. And while you are bathing, you put your clothes on top of the fence where you are showering. A madman came from nowhere, took your dress and ran away. And you that was bathing, you ran out and chased after the madman, naked, the same way like the madman. Between you and the madman, who is mad? Or should I say that both of you are mad? This is what Soludo has done in Anambra today. People forcing sit-at-home. He was complaining that they are forcing sit-at-home. Now he joined them to force sit-at-home. The difference here is that they are doing it, the non-state actors are doing it with Mufti. But Soludo is doing his own with army, navy, police, mopo, and every other official security outfit. That is the dangerous part of it. I'm still wondering if there is anything like judiciary, those that can or could interpret the law to him to make him to understand that those people are private business people. Private ventures and private business people have the right to open their shop as at when they feel like. If I own a shop in main market, if I like, I close it for the whole year. It does not concern anybody. The only problem I have is when the time to pay my rent, assuming I'm not the owner of the shop or the plaza, if I don't come to pay my rent, that is when I have a problem. I can decide to lock my branch office and open my head office in Lagos or in Kano or in Sokoto, and I will lock up the one of main market. It concerns nobody. Soludo, who goes abroad, who comes to where people are civilized. If you go to America, some people close their shop. Nobody will ask you anything. At the end of the month, you must pay your tax. It doesn't concern whether you open your shop or you close it, sit at home, forcefully or unforcefully. You must pay your tax. That is what Soludo failed to understand. And the judiciary, those that call themselves judiciary, they have failed to intimate him, to make him understand that these business people are private people. You open shop for nobody, you pay rent for nobody, you didn't start business for them, you never giving them loan to do business, or probably they are owing you loan, the loan they borrowed, they took from you, and they are not servicing it. That is the only time you have the right to lock the shop, to ask for the service fee of the loan you gave out. Soludo should understand. He said he read economics. Economics is very broad. I know he must have passed through partnership and private companies. Do you understand? So, and private companies laws are there. Private partnership laws are there. You understand? So, Soludo is joining people who are mad to be mad. Now, between Soludo and the mad people who are mad. That's all I want to say in this video. So, and for those who are giving him advice, those people are, we call them stomach infrastructure. They are looking for what they are going to eat. And they can give you any advice, whether it suits you, whether it's right or wrong. They don't care. All they want is to come closer to the government house to gain what they will eat. That's all what they're after. Soludo is a mad governor already. For what he has performed shows that he has no temerity, he has no right, he has no conscience to govern anybody. He has no such power or no such knowledge to govern people. And that is what he has shown. His recklessness, reckless abandon, and carelessness, and the way he talks, the way he attends to people, the way he responds to situations. What Professor Chukwuma Soludo owned Anambra people is to create infrastructure so that it will attract investors. Finish. If investors come and close their shop for the whole year, it is none of your business. Collect your tax. At the end of the year, they did not pay their tax. You go and lock up their shop. That's when you have the right. But for this, you are a mad professor. Mad Professor Chukwuma Soludo. That is what you are. I'm out of here, people.